Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting necessary access and removing background scans immediately. Make sure you have router admin credentials and a device with physical access. Once done, back up current network settings so you can restore if needed. Next, on the device, revoke location and Wi-Fi scanning permissions from apps that trigger scans. This reduces automatic probe requests. Make sure to note SSID and passwords before you change settings, because you will be toggling network services shortly. You now go deeper into system settings to stop active scanning. On Android, turn off Wi-Fi scanning under location to block passive probes. On Windows, open network and internet settings and remove or forget networks, then disable automatic connection and Wi-Fi sense features. Updating the adapter driver lets you change power management to stop scans. On the router, disable SSID broadcast or activate client isolation and reduce probe responses. Once these are configured, make sure devices are not set to automatically scan for preferred networks. You finish by validating your changes and ensuring scans are gone. Reboot both the router and each client device so settings take full effect. Then run a Wi-Fi analyzer or packet capture to confirm probe requests and active scans have dropped. This shows whether your actions worked. If you still see scans, make sure to inspect third-party apps, VPN clients, or drivers that may trigger rescanning, and update or uninstall them. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily enable verbose logging to identify the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.